To best serve customers, a tire dealer needs to have product offerings that properly cover the entire performance and aesthetic spectrum in a lineup that makes sense for the market. When it comes to pickup truck and SUV tires, both highway terrain or HT and all-terrain or AT are typical candidates for customers searching for the next set of tires. These segments have seen steady growth over the years, with the market share between the two remaining constant. How do you find out which one will be a better match? Let's find out. AT versus HT, a true dilemma for many SUV or truck drivers. Typically, AT tires focus on great off-road performance and aggressive appearance, while HT tires should focus on smooth and quiet rides. AT tires have what you might call the look of an off-road tire, whereas HT tires aren't so appearance-centric, often looking more like a beefed-up touring tire. AT tires are louder and ride rougher than their HT tire counterparts thanks to deeper tread depths and big block patterns. There's a reason HT tires have highway in the name. They're just made for a comfortable ride on the highway. Ultimately, the choice comes down to understanding the customer's needs. AT and HT tires are a little like siblings, with some AT tires really leaning into the rolling resistance and noise diffusion, while at the end of the day, you'll find AT tires are very aggressive with very deep tread depth, and yes, they are louder. I've got one last tip to maximize customer satisfaction, especially if they're ultimately going to go with an AT tire with deeper tread. Invite that customer back for a free rotation at around 4,000 to 5,000 miles. If they take you up on it, and who wouldn't, this rotation will help to smooth out any irregular wear from the tire scrub on the front axle. This early rotation minimizes noise later in the life of the tire and provides the customer with greater satisfaction in you, their friendly neighborhood tire dealer. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.